Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Photos album to Google Drive. Let's get started by open Google Photos application and firstly, already in the album. Firstly, click at the profile icon at the right top and check if you use your correct account. So you can switch between your accounts if you have multiple accounts, or you can add your account. After that, go to collections at the bottom and select album what you wanna share. So I wanna share this album to share. Now we need to select these photos. If you try to just upload it without select these photos, you click at the upload, then you select Google Drive, and what will happen, you will save this file. So I cannot even open it. Now let's do this correctly. So in the album, click at the three dots, or you can press and hold at the photo, or three dots and select photos. And now I select both these photos. Then click at the upload icon at the top. And right here we have application list on iOS, and you need to scroll to the left. On Android, you need to scroll down, and we need to find Google Drive. But right now I don't have it here, the list. So let's click at the more and then scroll down. Finally, we have Google Drive. Tap at the Google Drive line. Now it's preparing files, and now we have both these files. Then check your account, is this your correct account, and switch if you don't have your. And then click at the folder. So right here you can add it to already existed album. So right here I have to share TP, I want to add it here. Just click at the at your album and then click save here at the right bottom. If you want to create new folder, just click at this icon at the top and then give it the name. And now we have one more album and it already opened it. But I want to save it to this folder, so I click on it and then save here. And click upload at the right top. Then let's check if we have it in Google Drive. So Google Drive, and right here I have this folder and these two photos here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.